Chingona, noun. A take no one's bullshit kind of woman who is brave, kind-hearted, hardworking, and filled with a fire and lust for life. Okay, that was probably a run-on sentence, but I can't fit it all in just a couple of words. Over the years, I've admired the Michelle Obamas, the Selena Quintanillas, and the Marie Curies in my life, wondering how the hell do they do what they do. My mom would say, "Don't worry, mija, you will get there someday." I'm finally reaching a point in my life where I'm slowly unlocking the chingona that was lying dormant inside of me. Hi, I'm Greta Luna Priego, and I'm here to teach you how to become the most badass, courageous, and unapologetic version of yourself. In other words, I'm here to show you how to be a chingona. Ponte las pilas. In Mexico, we have the saying, ponte las pilas, which literally means put on your batteries. My mom would say this to me when I'd complained about my homework or felt defeated by some minor setback that to me felt like the whole world was ending. So, step 1. Put your batteries on and get to work. To be a chingona, you gotta work hard, show up, and don't give up on your goal. For me, knowing the sacrifices my ancestors and my mom made just so I can have the possibility of reaching my dreams, like living in Paris as I am now, is what makes me want to work my ass off. 2. Call your mom, damn it. Your mom. She's the one who carried you around for 9 months and probably put on lots of unwanted weight because of you. So call her. Call her even if she doesn't answer for what feels like a lifetime and still doesn't answer. And still doesn't answer. And still doesn't answer. 3. Do what you really want and wear what you really want. Okay, so my fashion is probably as eccentric as Phoebe Buffay's on Friends. I mean, I love weird patterns, bright colors, and mixing these weird patterns and colors that sometimes don't go together. Pero I'ma wear anyways. I have this weird thing where I just need to love my outfit first and foremost to have a successful and productive day. I need to feel like, yes, bitch, okay, I look good in this. For me to feel like, yes, bitch, I'ma seize this damn day. So if that for you is your pajamas, then wear it, but wear it with confidence. 4. Educate yourself. Okay, so I'm giving all this advice to you, right? But I'm only 23 years old, so I mean, I hopefully still have a long way to go. And I'm really excited about that. But the actual key, like the gold and shiny key that's gonna open this huge, heavy door to the world of chingonas, like the place where all the chingonas hang out and like drink cafe and stuff, is learning and unlearning. Be open to learning, even if that means getting so freaking hyped on whatever the hell Michelle Obama is preaching in her new book, which, by the way, is one of my favorite books ever on this planet, so please read it. Be excited about learning because it's what opens up our potential. As Michelle Obama once said, empower yourselves with a good education and be open to unlearning too. Unlearning bad habits, unlearning negative thoughts about yourself or about other people, unlearning anxieties you might have, and learning that it's actually not as bad as you think. Unlearning ends up making you lighter and allows you to carry a less heavy burden on your shoulders. 5. Be happy to be here. A chingona is happy and grateful to be on this planet. So, be happy. Dance to the music that your boyfriend secretly probably hates whenever it's your turn to play music in the car. Dance and shake your hips and salsa however the hell you think salsa is done, and keep dancing throughout your entire life. Hang out with your friends who hopefully are also happy to be here with you. The other day, I spent a full day out and about with new friends I made here in Paris. We went shopping in the dopest Japanese store. We walked around town taking in the Parisian architecture, and we even went ceramic painting. I mean, how exciting is that? Like, I was geeking out about this, okay? The ceramic painting studio was also a cafe. So here I am in Paris, drinking a cappuccino, which are my favorite, painting a ceramic coffee cup in the heart of Paris. I was ecstatic to be here or there in that moment. And apart from your mom, call your friends, call your girlfriend, your boyfriend. Well, I hope you call your boyfriend at least. Ask them how they are, how they really are, and make sure they're happy to be here too. So do things that make you happy to exist. Well, I guess more than to exist, to live. 6. Eat good. Eat, and eat. Eat it all and don't hold back. Okay, well, maybe hold back a little bit because, you don't want to get bloated and all, but eat well. I love burgers, okay? There was a moment where I was kind of like, no, I don't like burgers. I like kale. But damn it, I'm gonna say it loud and proud because I freaking love burgers. Five Guys here in France is actually incredible, and I don't understand how it's better than the one in the United States. But eat your mama's cooking and eat because a chingona eats good. 7. Support other chingonas. They don't necessarily have to be Latinx, but lately, I have been feeling serious Latina power, and I'm just so damn proud to be a Latina. In my search of filling my life with all things Latinx, I've been drooling over Latina-run brands like Viva La Bonita, which sells beautiful clothes, which I still need to get my hands on, with some of the best and most empowering quotes. Another one I absolutely love is Raggedy Tiff, run by Jessica Resendiz, who is so sweet virtually too. It's amazing to see her process of creating things herself and see her vision growing. It's honestly my favorite thing in the whole world to see women going after their dreams and creating incredible things in the process. And one more chingona that's really inspired me lately is Jo Franco from the YouTube traveling experts Damon and Joe. I found her trending video where she speaks about how she got shot. And what she learned from it. I mean, apart from the courage it takes to open up about getting shot on the internet. Wait, that sounds really wrong. Wrong placement. Apart from the courage it takes to open up to the internet about getting shot. That sounds a lot better. I love how honest she is and how she just lives her damn life, eager to learn so many languages and get a taste of all the cultures, you know what I mean? This is what the internet should be about, supporting other people and telling people that they inspire you, because why wouldn't you? And lastly, mija, be your best friend. So I've been living here in Paris for about 4 months now, and I have never in my entire 23 years on this planet hung out with myself more than I have during these 4 months. I mean, I've given myself pep talks, talked myself out of making stupid decisions, judged myself at times, and praised myself just as a best friend would. And sometimes your best friend is yourself, and that's completely okay. No one's going to want your goals, your dreams, your ambitions more than you will. No one's going to know truly what you are feeling or what you are going through at any given moment, except for yourself. Your sister might understand. Your boyfriend might sympathize and send you flowers or chocolate or something, but no one's going to be there with you through every single second of a moment except you. So treat yourself with compassion as you would your best friend. Take care of yourself, drink water, lots of water. Make sure your pee is not yellow. Put on that moisturizer that makes your skin glow in the morning, and enjoy your own company, because there are going to be moments where you are all you have, and that just means that you never really are alone. So there you go. This is how you can achieve ultimate chingonanes. I mean, I'm not saying I have achieved the highest level of being a chingona, but I figured out some way to get myself sorta, kinda in the club. I have 3 months left here in France before my work contract is up and I head back to the US. I mean, I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do next. Am I going to apply to grad school, get another job, just live with my mom for the rest of my life and eat her homemade food? Actually, no, that sounds amazing. But no matter what, I know that the chingona inside of me is going to make her dreams come true. Besos.